Hi everyone, so this is Ainsworth here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to rank up in your Bittoken, a CTC company, which is um, Bittoken app, right? So the first rank you have is Diamond 1, and there's a promotion going on with Diamond 1. Right? When just by sign up for free, you get 50,000 reward points, which will qualify you for Diamond 1, right? Now, after you have accomplished that, the next step is to go to Diamond 2, right? All you need to qualify for Diamond 2 is just 200,000 reward points. You start with 50,000 reward points for free, just for signing up. Um, you get a 100,000 reward points that will qualify you. That now you have 200 reward points. There are some simple tasks that you can do, watching videos, and that will give you an additional 50,000 reward points. You're now at a total of 200,000 reward points. That gives you, make you a Diamond 2. As a Diamond 2, the next you will get 500,000 reward points. So now a total of 700 reward points. So the next one is Diamond 3. At this point, it's not just the reward points that is needed, but you also need, is very important, is directs. It's helping the community to grow, right? And so you need to sign up 10 persons. Now, as I'm saying, these 10 persons can be a family member, a friend. Just sign up 10, right? Just 10 directs, and you are with 1,000,000 reward points. Remember, you're getting 50,000 reward points for signing up each person, and they are getting 50,000 reward points. So by then, you'll be over 1,000,000 reward points, and that will give you an additional 2,000,000 reward points to qualify, right? Now, here is where it gets a little bit more difficult, is Diamond 4. And this is how you will have to now help to become a Diamond 4. These 10 directs that you have to help them to become Diamond 3, because you will need 12 Diamond 3 to become a Diamond 4. All right, and if you go over here, it will give you a view of what I'm talking about. So Diamond 3, to qualify, you sign up yourself, you sign up 4 persons, right? 10 persons rather. And you are now a Diamond 3. Now, Diamond 4, you need that these 12 persons that you sign up directly, to each get 10 below them, right? That makes you a leader here in the Bittoken app. And this is the first 4 levels. And when you reach here, now there are 4 more levels ahead, but the aim is to get persons to the first Diamond 3 and Diamond 4, and then we will start building our team. Remember, we need 30 million persons in this company within the next 3 months, and it's 100% free. So you don't have to be thinking about it is going to cost you. All it's going to cost you is a little time in doing the things that you always do for free and earning here with Bittoken.